Samsung teased the future of Samsung Display at developer conference, showing some unique notch designs, and while we all are excited to see the Infinity O look on the upcoming Galaxy phones, it looks like the company is more interested to adopt the Notch City. Yup, it's true. Samsung is gonna market a Galaxy freaking notch. However, it will look far better than most of the Android phones out there, but a notch is notch and there's no special treatment for it to get rid of. Unless you own a device with excellent OLED screen or a transparent display with all the necessary under-panel tech. We don't have such a great option yet, so the notch is here. According to a recently leaked benchmark for a Galaxy phone, Samsung is gonna put a notch on their upcoming mid-range device. It will admire an Infinity U design and will be called Galaxy M2. This name comes to our mind due to some previous leaks, and you should expect M2 with a reasonable price tag. Moving to the specs of a notched Galaxy phone, it will feature a 2340x1080p display with 19:5:9 aspect ratio, which is quite impressive at least for Samsung's affordable smartphone offering. I don't know what Samsung has in their mind. Maybe they are working on a new market strategy to boost sales, and when you ask me about a notch display, I'm quite used to it, as there are notches everywhere. Also, Google has started rolling out Android Pie made especially for a notch smartphone, so why not Samsung play the trend? Further, the Galaxy M2 will be powered by an Exynos 7885 processor coupled with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of expandable storage. It will run Android 8.1 out of the box, but you should expect a late Pie upgrade on this device just because of that notch. In terms of camera specs, the Galaxy M2 has a 13 megapixel single rear camera and an 8 megapixel front shooter. The benchmark score is quite plausible, but at the same time, you should take this as a pinch of salt, as we are still a good couple of months away from the official release of this device. And yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.